Antibody therapy market. What if your body could heal itself smarter? Antibody therapy, the $300 billion game changer. What is antibody therapy? Lab-made proteins target disease cells, treat cancer, autoimmune, and infections. Market growth forecast: 2025, $144.7 billion. 2035, $301 billion. CAGR, 7.6%. Where it's used most: 1. Oncology, cancer. 2. Autoimmune disorders. 3. Infectious diseases. Global hotspots: North America leads. Japan and Germany are rising. Global demand surging. Leading companies: Roche, AbbVie, Amgen, AstraZeneca. Others innovating rapidly. What's driving growth? Research and development boom. Biologic drug approvals. Precision medicine. Latest in 2024-2025. 3 FDA approvals in 2024. AI meets antibody design. Fast-tracked clinical trials. Follow future market insights for more health tech and market trends.